Hello Indiegogo backers, are you tired of having no control over your data? If so, this card can help you. Let's see how.
You have a major project that you have been working on for many months now, and this information is extremely crucial and could be detrimental if it falls into the wrong hands. And you have finally gotten the approval. You are so happy, but somehow you've accidentally misplaced the card. Another team has seen your card and wants to use this information to come up with their own proposal. After you leave the room, they come in to find your data. However, the card cannot be detected in his computer. Puzzled, he tries it again, but to no avail. Now he's getting frustrated and leaves the room.
So what do you think of a memory card that can protect your data's confidentiality? Introducing Flexxon's invisible card, X-Mask.
It helps to fortify data confidentiality and forbids unauthorized access. X-Mask ensures data security with 3 layers of enhanced protection. 1. A hidden drive that makes the entire memory card drive invisible to prying eyes. 2. Security tools that enable access to the card only on computers where the security tools and correct password authentication have been installed. 3. Data encryption at the firmware and hardware level that protects against side channel attacks. Anyone can utilize the benefits of this easy-to-use and effective security solution. It also supports businesses and industries in diverse sectors such as medical, business and financial, government and military, legal, security, surveillance, and many other confidential data files that must stay hidden from unauthorized access. Get rid of all your data confidentiality worries and make full use of our security memory card without any hassle.